Hey, what's up guys? It's Tobe back again with another guitar lesson. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to play Jericho, Simi featuring Patoranking. So this song is only 3 chords, also very beginner friendly. So guys, if you're in your early stages of playing guitar, this one shouldn't take much time to get by. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do subscribe. And if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know on the comment area. So guys, with no further ado, let's dive in right after this. Is in the key of a G sharp. So I'll be using a capo. I'll capo the first frets, for this song. And see, the song is in the key of G sharp. I will use the chords that I would use if I were playing the same in the key of G. So the progression is 6, 4, 5, and I will show you a simple picking pattern that you can use to play the song, and I'll also show you how to strum the song. So the 5 is F minor, and the reason it's F minor is because I've coupled the first frets, and so all the chords that I'm playing in the key of G have to be transposed a half step up. So this is F minor, C sharp major, and D sharp major. Though you can also just refer them as E minor, C, and D chord. But then for complete and music, this is F minor, C sharp, and D sharp. Well, I'll be using my thumb. So for picking, I'll be using my thumb, pointer, and middle finger. And so when you're playing the F minor, so I am plucking the 5th and the 4th string, holding E minor with my left hand, 5th, 4th string, pointer and middle finger, so 5th and 4th with my thumb, pointer on the 3rd string, and the middle finger on 2nd string, and then again with my pointer finger, 3rd string. So that's E minor or F minor chord. And then for the C sharp, so the C, I'm only plucking the 5th with my thumb and the 3rd string with my pointer finger. And then the D sharp chord, so the D sharp, I'm using my thumb to pluck string number 4 and 3, and then my pointer finger to pluck string number 2, and my middle finger to pluck string number 1, and then again my pointer fingers pluck string number 2. So that's the first part, where I'm using thumb on the 4th and 3rd string, and then my pointer 2nd string, my middle finger 1st string, and my pointer 2nd string. And then so the last beat is my thumb plucks string number 4, and my pointer fingers pluck string number 2. So all together. So that's how you'd strum. I mean, pick the chords. Now On strumming, so I will use the down up up down strumming pattern. So if you followed my earlier tutorials, then you should be familiar with this strumming pattern: down up up down down down, down up up down down down. So down up up down down down, down up up down down down, down up up down down down, down up up down down down. Well, that's it for the tutorial, guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Also give the video a thumbs up so that it can rate well on YouTube. And also, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.